Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you haven't already unlocked your bootloader, you should do that by following a video that should be in the top right corner now, and that teaches you how to unlock your bootloader. But if that's already done, then carry on watching. By doing this, there is a risk that your phone will go into a boot loop, and so I'd recommend backing up your stuff. And and if it does go into boot loop, I will be making a video on that later on. But just keep that in mind, and let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to paranoidandroid.co/downloads. And your device should be on the sidebar. Download the newest one and do this on your phone, not your computer. So just download the top one. I've also tried Lineage OS, which is also good if Paranoid doesn't support your phone, and Pixel Experience is also good, but I haven't tried it because it doesn't support my phone. Then Google Open G Apps or GApps. Then for platform, ARM is for 32-bit phones, which is very rare, and ARM64 is for 64-bit phones, which is most common. So Google if your phone is 32 or 64-bit, and I would recommend using Mini as the variant. However, Micro is also good. Now hit the red download button and wait for the download to complete. So once it's complete, and as I said, links will be in the description, then go on to the link that's on the screen now, scroll down to Microsoft Windows ADB Setup, and tap on the orange download the ADB setup file for Windows link, and the download should appear at the bottom of your screen like so. Now you want to go to File Explorer, Downloads, then drag the download to your desktop. Should be a zip file like so. So drag it to the desktop. Right click on the zip file and press Extract here or Extract Files. So I'm just going to press Extract here. And you should get this file here. Rename it ADB, and it should be on your desktop. You can now delete the zip file because we're not going to be using that. Then go to File Explorer again and go to this PC. Then go to OSC or whatever your primary drive is. Then drag it into OSC, and this is called the root of your drive. It should take a minute to load, but it should eventually load. Now it should appear in File Explorer. Now we'll download the recovery software and do this on your computer, not your phone. So go to go to the link on the screen, find your phone on the sidebar, and download the newest version, which is the one at the top of the list. So hit the download button. So not the ones at the bottom. Hit Netherlands. I don't know why you have to hit that, but now go to File Explorer again. Now go to downloads and then drag the download onto your desktop, the one that we just downloaded, and then drag the zip file to the desktop as I said, and then make a new folder and rename it recovery. Then extract the files, extract the zip file to the folder we just made called recovery, and it shouldn't take too long, and now it'll be in that folder. You can now delete the zip folder if you want, because we're not going to use it. So right click and press delete or drag it to the recycle bin. Now we've got this file, go to File Explorer, then go to this PC, then OSC drive or whatever your primary drive is, and drag it to OSC or whatever your primary drive is, and open the recovery folder that we just made, and select recovery.img, press copy, go back to OSC, then go to ADB folder, paste it here by right clicking and pressing paste. It should appear somewhere in the list of files now, usually down the bottom because it's in alphabetical. Now power off your phone and plug it into your PC. So once it's powered off, press hold power and volume down, so hold power and volume down together until you feel a buzz, and this fast boot logo should show up on your phone. Then go to the ADB folder, right click, so shift and right click, and then select open PowerShell window here, and write what's on the screen now and then press enter, and write what's on the screen now, press enter again, and as soon as your phone turns off, hold power and volume up. So now your phone should be starting to power on, and it should be in this thing called Orange Fox recovery. And then go on to, so yeah, it should be on Orange Fox Recovery. Go to wipe in the bottom corner, then select all of the ones that are on screen now. So everything that's on screen now, and then swipe right at the bottom bar, so swipe to wipe. Should go through a little process, it shouldn't take too long. Press back, then go on to files, or in the bottom left corner, then go on to downloads or download, and select the Paranoid Android file, which uses PA Quartz, and then press add to queue again, and then go back onto downloads, and then select the GApps file, whichever one you downloaded, and then swipe to install now, and you should have two files in the queue, and it should take a while, probably take a few minutes. But once it's done, it should reboot automatically. If not, there's probably a reboot button, and this is what the boot like logo looks like, and then it should power on. So if your phone doesn't turn on after 10 minutes, or it takes longer than that, it's probably in something called a boot loop. And don't worry if this happens, as I'll be making a video on how to fix it shortly after this video is uploaded. Okay, so I'd recommend using the Google camera, which I'll link in the description. I'll link the download to it. It's an APK file. And also download Gboard, which is the Google keyboard, and it doesn't come with all OpenGApps downloads. So yeah, you can download that from the Google Play Store. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As I said, I'll be making videos on how to fix boot loops and other problems, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.